In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Fortnite easy anti-cheat is not installed. Now, how you can do this is you want to go to your Epic Games folder. So come down here, open up your drive where you have Epic Games. I have mine on my D drive, maybe you have yours on the other one. But come in here and find Epic Games. Go to Fortnite, Fortnite game, binaries, Windows 64, and open up easy anti-cheat. Now, if you don't know where you have Epic Games installed, you can simply find your Epic Games, right click on it and open file location. Now, once you're in here, what you want to do is right click the easy anti-cheat, send to, and choose desktop. Now, once you have it on the desktop, what you want to do is right click on it, properties, and from in here in target, you want to go all the way to the end, press space and type repair. Press apply and press OK. Now double click this one and run it and see if it works. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing we can try is allow the anti-cheat to our firewall. So come down here and search for firewall, open it up, allow an app or feature, change settings, allow another app, browse, and then come to your desktop where you just put it. Put it here and press open, add, and now it should be here. Make sure you tick private and public, and that's about it. Now it should work, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.